It's just taking the mortar out between the bricks, or the stones in this case. It's taking it out back to basics. So it's all pulled out. You need to take it all out. You can't have rounded corners. It needs to all come out square so that you can put new mortar in it. We're removing it with chisels. On your new builds and stuff like that, you could probably use your drills and stuff like that, but because of the stone and what we're working on, you've got to use chisels and do it very carefully.